Okay, in this particular section we are going to look into a very important concept that is related to levels and level breaks. That is how to keep track of the latest, I repeat, how to keep track of the latest level break. It means, if you can see, look into the screen, this was a level break, the price went up, there was a substantial fight. Till what point the price was taken up before the next concentration point? This one, right? This two has been marked now. Now the price has again gone up. Again there was a substantial fight over here, if you can see, in this particular area, and the price is sustained. Now this is the level break. We have gotten a new level break now, and the price has gone up till here. So we're going to delete the previous level breaks. So in this particular concept, the previous level breaks doesn't hold any value. So for us, only the recent level break would hold some value to us, only if it sustains. Now if you can see, the price has come down. Okay, the price has come down, and we are not going to consider any of this particular. Okay, next let's discuss one more stock, Havels. Let's see if we can find, if I can give you a very good example. Okay, let's see, let's say this one. So this was a recent high, right? Now we have to find a level break. Is this a level break? Yes. Why? There was a substantial fight, there was a break of the level, and there was sustenance. If you can see, it didn't directly came down like this. There was some sustenance over here. Slowly the price came down, and it came down further. For us, it doesn't matter how the price comes down after this particular point, but it matters how the price is behaving above this particular point. So here this is a level break because all the three conditions are been met. Okay, now coming to the next and the beautiful concept of initiators. This is closely related to the level breaks and the concentration point. Okay, so now we'll repeat once again for the same stock. We're going to put this particular horizontal line over here because this was a recent high. Now we are going to see whether there was a substantial presence of the buyers above this level. Yes, and also there was a concentration point over here. So as part of the marking, we are going to mark this point, and we are going to mark this point, because within these 2 points there was no concentration point, right? So this upper level that we are going to mark and the lower level, this is our current level that is active. Okay, so if again the price goes up like this, let's say the price has gone up like this and it has sustained, now this particular level break will not hold any value because the last recent high was again broken if this price would have gone up. So we are going to move this particular level to upside.